Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can request or read recepts for sent emails and messages on Proton Mail. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your inbox on Proton Mail, and you may do this for new messages or mails you craft and send by clicking on that button. Or let me go with a draft, for example, for the sake of this tutorial. So let me go with that draft email here. And in the bottom right corner you will see a window of the given email draft or message you would like to send. So before you send the given message to your contact by entering the given recipient's email address here and the subject below, you may simply do the following, guys. Instead of pressing send here or clicking on send, click on the three dots here left to it on more options and make sure that this option here, request or read recept, is enabled. You will see it, or you may tell it by, for example, by the checkmark icon here to the right. So if you see the checkmark icon, the read recept feature will be enabled, which means, guys, whenever your contact will be sent that email and also opens that email, it will be automatically receive a confirmation here in your Proton Mail account that the given contact has not only opened but also read the given email. We don't know if he or she has read the given email actively, of course, but he or she has definitely opened that email. So that's how you request these read recepts here on Proton Mail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.